In the ever-evolving world of the automotive industry, there's been a buzz surrounding one of the most iconic American brands, Buick. Whispers of a comeback have been circulating, and today we're here to uncover the truth. Are the rumors true? Is Buick really making a grand return to reclaim its former glory? Let's find out. As we delve into this story, we can't help but wonder, what's driving Buick's resurgence, and how will it shake up the luxury market? What new and exciting models can we expect from this storied marquee, and how do they stack up against the competition? And perhaps most importantly, will Buick's comeback be as impressive and impactful as its illustrious past? Stay tuned, because we're about to uncover the answers to these burning questions and more. Buick, a name that once evoked images of stately sedans and the epitome of American luxury, has long held a special place in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts. Founded back in 1903 by Scottish-born engineer David Dunbar Buick, the brand has a rich and storied history that reflects the evolution of the American automobile industry. In its early days, Buick was known for its innovative engineering and attention to detail, producing high-quality vehicles that catered to the growing middle class. As the 20th century progressed, the brand solidified its reputation as a purveyor of luxury and refinement, with models like the Roadmaster and Electra becoming synonymous with the American dream. However, like many legacy automakers, Buick's fortunes ebbed and flowed with the changing tides of the industry. The brand weathered the challenges of the Great Depression, World War II, and the oil crisis of the 1970s, adapting and evolving to meet the needs of a rapidly changing market. In the 1980s and 1990s, Buick experienced a bit of an identity crisis, as it struggled to find its place in a market that was increasingly dominated by foreign luxury brands. The brand's lineup became somewhat stagnant, and it struggled to capture the imagination of a new generation of buyers. But now, in the 21st century, Buick is poised for a remarkable comeback that could redefine the luxury landscape. Driven by a renewed focus on innovation and design, the brand is ready to reclaim its rightful place as a leader in the automotive industry. The story of Buick's resurgence begins with the Wildcat EV concept, a bold and dynamic offering that is set to redefine the brand's place in the market. With a striking exterior that seamlessly blends classic Buick cues with a contemporary aggressive styling, the Wildcat EV is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. This all-electric concept showcases Buick's commitment to the future of mobility, combining the brand's heritage with cutting-edge technology and design. At the forefront of Buick's comeback is the all-new Wildcat SUV, a bold and dynamic offering that is set to redefine the brand's place in the market. With a striking exterior that seamlessly blends classic Buick cues with a contemporary aggressive styling, the Wildcat is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Measuring in at over 16 feet long and 6 feet wide, the Wildcat boasts an imposing presence that commands attention on the road. Under the hood, the Buick Wildcat packs a serious punch, with a choice of two potent engine options that deliver an exhilarating blend of power and efficiency. Leading the charge is the base 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, a sophisticated and high-performance power plant that produces a robust 250 horsepower and an impressive 295 foot-pound of torque. This downsized but mighty mill utilizes direct fuel injection and a twin-scroll turbocharger to generate its impressive outputs, providing the Wildcat with a level of responsiveness and acceleration that belies its relatively small displacement. Unleash the 2.0T engine and you'll be rewarded with a thrilling rush of torque that propels the Wildcat forward with authority. The broad, flat torque curve ensures ample thrust is available at virtually any RPM, allowing for effortless passing maneuvers and confident merging onto the highway. And despite its performance capabilities, this turbocharged four-cylinder also maintains impressive efficiency, striking a well-balanced compromise between power and fuel economy. But for those who crave even more power under the hood, Buick offers an available 3.6-liter V6 engine that takes the Wildcat's performance to the next level. This naturally aspirated six-cylinder churns out a stunning 310 horsepower and 282 foot-pound of torque, delivering a level of thrust that is sure to leave a lasting impression on both the driver and the passengers. The 3.6-liter V6 is truly an engineering marvel, with its high-revving character and silky smooth power delivery. Step on the accelerator and you'll be rewarded with a surge of acceleration that propels the Wildcat forward with unbridled authority. Whether you're tackling a twisty mountain road or merging onto the interstate, this V6 power plant provides the Wildcat with the kind of performance that sets it apart from the competition. Regardless of which engine you choose, both the turbocharged 4-cylinder and the V6 are paired with a refined and responsive 8-speed automatic transmission. This gearbox has been meticulously tuned to provide lightning-fast, seamless shifts, ensuring that the Wildcat's impressive power is translated to the road with precision and efficiency. The result is a driving experience that is both thrilling and confidence-inspiring, with the perfect balance of power, responsiveness, and control. The Wildcat isn't just about brute force, it's also a technological showcase that exemplifies Buick's commitment to delivering a truly premium experience. Step inside the cabin and you'll be greeted by a masterpiece of modern design, featuring plush, supportive seats that provide maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. The attention to detail extends well beyond the seating, with a host of cutting-edge features that elevate the Wildcat above its competitors. The 12.3-inch infotainment display dominates the center console, offering intuitive controls and seamless connectivity thanks to standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The available Bose premium audio system, meanwhile, delivers a concert hall-like listening experience, ensuring that every journey is accompanied by the perfect soundtrack. But Buick's commitment to technology doesn't stop there. The Wildcat is also packed with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and forward collision alert, ensuring a safe and stress-free driving experience. And the good news doesn't stop with the Wildcat. Buick has also unveiled the sleek and sophisticated Encore GX, a compact SUV that's poised to take on the increasingly competitive entry-level luxury segment. With a starting price of $25,995, the Encore GX offers an impressive array of features that belie its affordable price tag. Powering the Encore GX is a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine that delivers a surprisingly potent 137 horsepower and 162 foot-pound of torque. Paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, this powertrain provides smooth, efficient performance that is well suited to the compact SUV's nimble handling and city-friendly dimensions. Despite its small displacement, the Encore GX's engine is tuned for a refined and responsive driving experience, with ample low-end torque that makes it feel much more powerful than the numbers might suggest. Although Buick's comeback isn't just about new models, it's also about reconnecting with its loyal customer base and attracting a new generation of buyers. The brand has been actively engaging with its fan base, listening to their feedback, and incorporating it into the development of its new vehicles. This commitment to customer-centric design is evident in the attention to detail and the focus on creating a truly memorable driving experience. As we look to the future, it's clear that Buick is poised to reclaim its rightful place in the automotive landscape. With a lineup of vehicles that blend timeless elegance with modern technology and performance, the brand is setting its sights on a new generation of buyers who are seeking a blend of luxury, style, and substance. So, what's driving Buick's comeback? It's a combination of bold design, cutting-edge technology, and a deep understanding of what today's consumers are looking for in a premium automotive experience. And if the early response to the Wildcat and Encore GX is any indication, Buick's resurgence is just the beginning of an exciting new chapter for this storied American brand. But the true test of Buick's comeback will be how it performs in the highly competitive luxury market, where it will need to go head-to-head with established players like Lexus, Acura, and even its own parent company, General Motors' Cadillac division. With a renewed focus on quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction, Buick is confident that it can reclaim its place as a premier American luxury brand, offering a unique blend of style, performance, and value that will captivate a new generation of buyers. As we delve deeper into the details of Buick's comeback, one thing becomes abundantly clear. This is not simply a revival of a once great brand, but rather a bold reinvention that could have far-reaching implications for the entire automotive industry. Buick is not content to rest on its laurels. Instead, it's pushing the boundaries of what luxury can be, blending its rich heritage with a vision for the future that is both exciting and ambitious. If you're as intrigued by Buick's comeback as we are, be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What features of the new Wildcat EV and the envisioned refreshed compact SUV models are you most excited about? Do you think Buick can reclaim its place as a leading American luxury brand, or will it struggle to compete against more established players in the market? Share your insights and let's dive deeper into this fascinating automotive story together. But don't stop there. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest news and insights about Buick's remarkable resurgence. We've got even more exciting details to share with you, and we can't wait to dive deeper into this fascinating automotive story together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.